Hello and Assalamu alaikum friends. My name is Farooq Shazia. Welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing how to change foot on a sewing machine. If you did not subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe it and share it with your family and friends. I am going to change those two kind of foot. There is a lever at the back of the foot. If I press it, it releases the foot. I am going to put this foot on. This is specially for the zipper. You can fix it on the right side of the zipper or the left side of the zipper. I will show you how. If you want it on the left side, just place it under here and move the main lever foot down till fix. If you want the foot on the right side, just remove it and fix it in the same way on right side. Now I will show you how this foot works on the zipper. For the other side of the zipper, you don't need to move the cloth. Just move the foot. You can make the seam very close to the zipper or little bit away from the zipper. Now I am going to change this foot. It is to fold the edges of the cloth. I have to change the whole foot with the help of this screw. I need this regular foot, so I am going to change it again. See you in the next video. Bye and Allah Hafiz.